Hello everyone, my name is I from SuperB Tool Company. In this video, we're gonna introduce you SuperB TB-CC65 Rivet Extractor. And we're gonna show you how to use it to break and reconnect the chain. First, to make our job easier, we use chain hook to secure the chain. In case the chain goes separate, which might hurt you or damage the component. Then you can grab your TB-CC65 to put down the chain. Don't worry about what kind of chain are you using, because the movable chain holder will help you to handle all speed chains, and it's replaceable. So we can start to break the chain. We can also reconnect the chain by TB-CC65. This is SuperB TB-CC65 Rivet Extractor, your best choice of the chain breaking tool.